The next topic of digital image processing, we are going to discuss a model of image degradation and the restoration. In the previous lecture, we discussed about what is the degradation process and what is the meaning of restoration. So now, to understand completely this process, we are going to elaborate the model of degradation function and the restoration. So, from this model, this diagram, we have some of the names like the degradation function, restoration filter, and fxy, gxy, how this works. So let's start with fxy. What is the meaning of it? It is the digital image itself. Digital image or the input image, we can say that. The input image is represented by a function f with the coordinates x comma y. Clear? This is the input image. When we apply this input image with the degradation function h, degradation function is represented by capital H. When this input image is collabed with the degradation function, degradation means the loss of the quality of an image due to some of the reasons. So, when this input image is collabed with the degradation function plus by with the addition of some additive noise is represented by eta x comma y, then we get the degraded image, that is g x comma y. Clear? This whole process is known as the degradation process. Clear? Again, we explain that we have some input image that is represented by f x comma y. We applied that on the input image, we applied the degradation function, that is h. Clear? We collab or convolute both the input image and the degradation function, plus we add the sum of the additive noise. Sum of the additive noise, that is noise due to the various reason. Noise मतलब कि डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करना, जहाँ लॉस ऑफ क्वालिटी किसी इमेज की हो रही है तो ब्लरनेस उसमें ला देना, उसमें एजेस को डिटेक्ट कर देना. Some of the reasons of due to which the noise should be there in the images, which may also degrade the quality of an image. So with the input image, we multiply the input image with the degradation function, and then we add some additive noise that is represented by eta x comma y. We get the degraded image, that is g x comma y. This whole process is known as the degradation process. After that, to restore the image so that the degradation of an image can be improved, the loss of quality can be improved, so the restoration process is to be applied. For this, we get the degraded image, then apply the restoration filters for getting the enhanced image, to restore the image with the original quality or with the enhanced version. So the restoration process is to be applied to get the optimal solution which is mostly nearer the original image. The result should be closer to the original image. So this is represented by f cap x comma y. Clear? In the image restoration process, we in the previous lecture we discussed that restorations mean we get the optimal solution from, or the desired solution. So that solution must be similar to the original image. कि ओरिजिनल इमेज है हमारे पास, उसमें हम नॉइज़ रिमूव कर रहे हैं, जब उसकी क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, देन जो रिज़ल्ट इमेज आएगी वो सिमिलर होनी चाहिए विद द ओरिजिनल इमेज. क्लियर? उसमें कंटेंट है, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो सेम होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन एंड द रेस्टोरेशन. in which we have some input image fxy. We apply the degradation function that is represented by h. We add some additive noise in it and we get the degraded image, that is gx comma y. So this is the degradation process. For restoration process, we get the degraded image, then apply the restoration filters that we discuss further, the filters which are to be used in here. So final process is by applying these filters, we get the desired image and enhanced image, which is optimal solution or similar to the original image. So in the previous lecture we discussed that the degradation or the restoration process, in restoration process we also use a spatial domain technique and the frequency domain technique. On the basis of the spatial domain, we have the equation like this. We get the degraded image gx comma y is equals to hx comma y is the degraded filter और डिग्रेडेड फंक्शन. क्लियर, जो हमें अभी मॉडल में पढ़ा एफ एक्स वाई डिग्रेडेशन फंक्शन दैट इज एच विद द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स कॉमा वाई इनटू एफ एक्स कॉमा वाई, दिस इज द ओरिजिनल इमेज, प्लस द एडिटिव नॉइज ईटा एक्स कॉमा वाई. Clear, this is the spatial representation of the degradation function. Here the star represent the convolution. Clear, so we get the degraded image by this equation. This is the spatial domain equation for the spatial representation of the degradation function. If we have the more the values of h and eta closer, we get the enhanced image which is similar to the original image fx comma y. So in case of frequency domain, what we get g u comma v. Clear, so this degraded image is represented by g u comma v. In case of frequency domain, we already done in the image enhancement what is the spatial domain and the frequency domain. In the similar way here we done this frequency domain में g u comma v is equal to h u comma v into f u comma v plus capital N u comma b. This represent the additive noise input image, and then we have the degradation function, and this is the degraded image. So this approach is to be used for the restoration process, and we use the restoration filters to enhance the image that we discuss in the next lecture. What is the purpose of noise, what are the various noise filters are to be used in this process.